Okay, let's look at clamps. We'll look at the sort of basic ones that are available, and as with most of the sort of kit we're using, there's many different variations. Clamps are very useful, if not vital. It won't be long before you find yourself with a need to hold a piece of wood securely while you perform some sort of a tool-related task on it, or even to hold two pieces together while the glue's going off. Whatever sort of your need, it will be filled by one of these, starting with the classic G-clamp. This is very old school, but it's very effective, and it will exert, I'm not entirely sure of the actual forces involved, but certainly significant force is attainable with the use of one of these, and it will hold pretty much anything to anything else. Very popular these days is the quick clamp, which you could say is well, it's quick. You know, that's one of its main strongest highlights, really. Quick clamp is a good thing also, but like most clamps, if we're not careful and we use I wouldn't say excessive force, because you want the thing to stay gripped. A lot of the force of the clamp will go through the jaw and mark your workpiece, which is a bit of a shame sometimes. So you might want to use a little block there just to protect the work. Not a bad idea. So that's a speed clamp. Then we've got this little dinky one here, which is an F clamp, so called because it certainly is F-like. It employs a curious sort of racking principle to effect its hold, and when tightened, that'll do a pretty fair job of holding something still, which is its primary function after all. So that's the F clamp. Another variation on that one is this, which uses a sort of ratchet type mechanism to hold. Whichever clamp you use, it's generally good to have an assortment, and to have as many as you can get your hands on. They say you can't have too many, and I kind of believe them. I'd recommend, if possible, to buy them in pairs, because just often you'll find you'll use two, one on the top, one on the bottom. Whatever reason, pairs of clamps are good, and the more you have, the merrier your workshop will be. So that's clamps.